So hello guys, welcome back to our channel. Now we are going to Amrutha Dhara waterfalls. Around 300 steps, half kilometer it will take.
వచ్చినప్పటికి మళ్ళీ గుర్తొస్తుందా? మేము కూడా గుర్తుకొస్తాం. ఇదే ప్లేస్ भाई बहुत मजा आता है. Which one is closer? Which one? ओके, अरे इधर से दिख रहा है यार. देखो खाली पानी पानी है. Okay. But that goes very long, right?
No, just those people are there, right?
Yeah.
From there, from
Okay.
one person coming, right?
Yeah.
There it will be good.
Beautiful man.
आगे यार इधर ही से. हाँ. Tarzan, what are your views on this waterfall?
It's a water slide.
Slide.
I see a lot of people sliding over there. It's dark in here, nice like a dark forest. The steps are too steep. Old people and knee pay joints, be careful.
Okay.
And yes, it's a cool place. I suggest this place to everyone because Uday is gonna blur my face when the review comes out, so that I am not hit by people saying who was that guy, catch hold of him.
भाई छोड़ दो.
मैं क्या कहता हूँ, पिछला Finally, Amrutha Dhara waterfall is done. So we are going back to resort.